Hello guys, welcome back to Hunt for the 11th disc. I've already found some diamonds. I've made a pick and a jukebox. I have one, I just drank soda. I have one music disc from a creeper. I'm gonna go out and hunt for some more later maybe. I don't have any diamonds left. I got a bow. I haven't played this in a while. I've been playing on my server. You're free to join my server if you want. I'll put the IP in the description. Probably. Let's go hunt monsters. I don't want all this on me. Actually, let's sleep. I'm gonna sleep right now, and then I'm gonna go mining. I'll go find a cave, because I haven't really done that very much. Okay. The zombie's still alive. Shouldn't he be burning up right now? Yep. Yeah. Okay. Let's go find a cave or something to go in. I have nothing to talk about right now. Oh, look at that creeper. Let's go mining. Try to find some more iron, maybe. I've got no boots. Speaking of boots, my Spanish teacher decided that she was going to make us watch Puss in Boots, that movie about the cat with the boots and the hat, and make us take notes on it. I'm like, are you kidding me? It's a movie about a cat, and we're supposed to take notes on it, and this is supposed to educate us. Alright. It's totally going to educate us. Very well. And that movie is a little weird. Sugarcane. Let's go get that sugarcane. Okay. Yeah. I'm itching my arm. Basically, in that movie, if spoiler alert, kind of, the cat gets, how should I say this? The cat gets, I don't even know what I'm saying right now. Stood up or, set up, tricked or whatever. Tricked into being thought he was, so that everyone thought he would rob a bank by Humpty Dumpty. Yeah, and then they go find a golden goose and they take the cute little duckling thingamajigger. And then the thing poops eggs everywhere. It's kind of weird. There's a cave down there. Let's go in that. I hear a zombie. I hear a lot of zombies. If I find a spawner, I'm probably going to make a grinder. Just because I know how to now. Where are all these zombies at? Because I hear them. A lot. Kind of loud. Okay. Let's go here. Dead end? Oh. Post any dumb movies you've had to watch in school that are supposedly educational, but they're not. Like, another time I watched Mr. Popper's Penguins. And I have no idea how that's supposed to be educational at all. But that movie's kind of funny. I hear a skeleton. Okay. If you don't go to school, then you're breaking the law and report you to the cops. I'm just kidding. Where are all these zombies at? 70. A little nervous. I'm used to going into caves. I know there's a cave there. You dumb little sound. I know you're supposed to indicate. Ooh. Hey, buddy. Oh. That's a lot of zombies for, like, a small area. I'd like to find a dungeon. I hear another one. Where are you at? You right up here waiting to jump on me? Oh, I hear you really loudly. I'll get that call in a second. I'm going to probably go back to my house and go into that ravine that I found a while ago. I haven't played this map, this series, in about a week. So I'm gonna go back to my house and get on my ravine, go find some obsidian, and maybe go to the nether so I can get, or not go to the nether, make an enchanting table, but I need diamonds for that too. Okay, I need to find 2 dungeons. I think I've only died once in this whole series. I need torches too. I'm gonna head back right now before it gets dark. I don't want to get killed again. Maybe I've died 3 times. I'm not sure. Or I have a dirt. Oh, I was about to have a dirt moment there. Sorry, my throat's a little clogged up. Let's make some of these. Booyah. Okay. So now I have torches. Let me place that. Come on. There we go. Let's get up here. Okay. Ah! That scared me. That's my phone, if you hear that. 1 second. I will be right back. Okay, sorry about that. My friend was just asking me if I could turn on my server. I told him that I would turn it on in a couple minutes because my computer doesn't record very well. Where the heck? My computer doesn't record very well when I have the server on, so I don't have it on when I record. Let's try to find my way back home. Ah, sorry. That's my phone again. Stop texting me, J-Birds. 1 second. Okay, alright. Let's go. Sugarcane. Maybe I should start a garden. I want to just eat some flesh. I don't like wasting a pork chop that heals 3 health thingies. Food noms. Call them noms. Food noms that when I can just eat a rotten flesh. And it's all good. Okay. I think I was smelting glass in the last episode. Yeah. Let's put in some windows here. Darn it. Used my pick on accident. Give me that. Okay. Booyah. Booyah. Let's see. I only got 30 seconds. That's not much. Okay. Ow, I just cracked my neck. Don't know if you heard that. I need to put this torch back out there really fast. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.